Tassho Pearce chilling with the angry locals, feeling good, feeling high, then the motherfucking H is up. Flip the bird is the motherfucking team, rapping with the angry locals. Let's go.
Check, we in the motherfucking hotel.
Yes, sir.
We got a special guest today.
Yes, sir.
Goes by the name of Tassho Pearce. Y'all know this motherfucker.
Is up, what?
Yeah.
Angry locals in this, flip the bird.
Okay. Hey, but straight up, it was crazy. Like, Mike posted some shit on Facebook.
What is it?
About being in Vegas, and then Tassho comments on it like, hey, I'm in Vegas too.
The main shit is I get to do a record with fucking Chris Styles and fucking Mike Trey for the first time too, you know?
Most flip the bird.
Yo, straight up, this is high story history. Like, we don't even get Tassho on a song back home, but when we're in Vegas,
in Vegas.
H.I. story.
Yeah, H.I. story.
This is gonna be that story. This can be Flip the Angry Bird. Am I correct?
Yeah, Flip the Angry Bird. That's the name of the song already. Flip the Angry Bird.
There it is.
Yeah.
No blunts?
Yeah.
Tassho Pearce, no blunts?
I mean, I'm smoking a blunt if I'm with you guys.
Shit, I've been off blunts, dude. Taylor Gang all day.
Hey, man, I got the decade plus with the. If I wasn't smoking a full blunt, I was rolling a little blunt by myself every day.
Like this one?
Had to switch it up.
No segregation, huh? No segregation.
No segregation.
Yeah. H.I. Honolulu, put your H's in the sky.
Tell them haters that I made it, bitch. Take that, take that. Like Puffy's backups in a mace trap. Take that. Sensing my sentences, touching on some sensitive subjects. Brace yourself like a dentist's apprentice. Since this is so offensive, in essence it is refreshing. Girl, I'm interested in them, they're into wrestling. I'm it. Tell LeBron we can split the SB. I spit, y'all flip, double pitch the chesty. Till we paid up, got our minds made up. Yeah, they might've got up earlier, but we just stayed up. Cause we ain't never sleeping, and they forever reaching. With hands out, we just stand out, Clayton Bixby. We making history, it ain't a mystery. DJs, they keep our shit spinning, playing frisbee. Flip the bird and angry locals got them haters dizzy. Throw your H's to the fucking sky, the 808 is with me.
We are Hawaii hip hop, bruh. They look down and